Classification of logic family. According to fabrication of IC, the logic family can be divided into two parts. First is bipolar and second metal oxide semiconductor. Mostly it is known as a MOS. So there are three types of MOS: P type MOS, N MOS and C MOS. Now according to the operation of the IC, the bipolar is also divided into two portions. First is saturated type logic and another is non-saturated type logic. Now in saturated logics, resistor transistor logics, direct coupled transistor logics, diode transistor logics, high threshold logics, transistor logics, integrated injection logics. So generally RTD transistor logics is known as RTL. For similarly DC TL, DTL, HTL, TTL and I2L. Now in non-saturated logic, short key TTL. Important parameters of digital IC. First, speed of operation or propagation of delay. Now the output signal is not received as soon as input signal is applied to the IC. Now the time between these two is called a propagation of delay. Propagation of delay is defined as follow. For this, the time between, most important, for this the time between 50% of input voltage and output voltage waveform is measured. Because the 50% of input and output voltage T1 propagation delay T1 and T2 are formed. So it is the average of this T1 and T2 time is called propagation time. So here we can write propagation time is equal to T1 plus T2 divided by 2, where T1 is the delay time of input voltage level and T2 is the delay time of output voltage level. Now the speed of the operation of the logic is depends on the propagation delay. Second, fan in. Fan in, the maximum numbers of inputs can be connected to the gates without voltage level degrade. So that means you have to connect many numbers of input which do not affect on the voltage level. And this parameter is depends on the functional capability of the logical circuits. Fan out. So in fan out, the maximum numbers of similar logic gates that can be drive without voltage level degrade. This is an important parameter because when the gate is drive to another gate, the current for it comes through the driving gate, which depends on the output impedance of the driving gate and the input impedance of the driven gate. Next, threshold voltage, not gate, threshold voltage. The level at which input voltage of a logical circuit which moves from one state to another state. That means this is a time required to change this state from one to another by the logic circuit. So we can say that the level at which the input voltage of a logic circuit moves from one state to another state is called threshold voltage. Generally, this threshold voltage, it is taken at 50% of voltage between two states. Next, power dissipation. The power used by the gate when all inputs are given to the gate is called power dissipation, and this power dissipation is represented in milliwatt or nanowatt. Now the average or DC power dissipation is a multiplication of supply voltage and supply current which is taken from the DC supply. 6. Noise immunity. Unwanted signal which is not useful is called noise. Like hum and transient, these are the different types of unwanted signal. Now this noise signal often changes with the input signal, which causes to operate of the gate incorrectly. That means we don't require to operate gate, but due to this noise immunity, it will operate. Now the maximum noise signal that can go along with the input signal of a logic gate without changing the output signal is called noise immunity. So this noise immunity is represented by noise margin. The difference between threshold voltage and input voltage is also called noise margin. Power supply required. Now particular power supply is designed for the particular integrated IC or the circuit. Now this is important to keep in your mind when using of IC, because each and every IC having different power supply requirement. Now it is also important to know how much tolerance of the supply is allowed in the power supply. So it is also most important. Next, operating temperature. On integrated circuit that can operate properly in the range of the temperature is called operating temperature range. Now the operating temperature should be remains kept in this particular which is given range, which is given by the manufacturer. Now for the consumer and industrial uses, the range is available between 0 degree centigrade to 20 degree centigrade. Now for the military purpose or military uses, now the range of this the operating temperature range is between -55 degree centigrade to +125 degree centigrade. Figure of merit, it is also most important definition. The multiplication of speed and the power is called figure of merit. Now generally the speed is represented by propagation of delay. Now the speed, it is measured in nanosecond, while the propagation delay its unit is milliwatt. Now so we can write figure of merit, it is nothing but it is a multiplication of propagation delay time in nanosecond to the power in milliwatt. So the unit of this figure of merit becomes picojoules. Now for the good IC, therefore a multiplication, now this multiplication, that means propagation delay time and power must be less, because if the speed of the operation is required high, then the propagation time should be less or the power also should be less. Saturated and non-saturated logic. In non-saturated logic, transistor is not allowed to go into saturation region. So now due to this, the propagation time is reduced. Now there are two types of non-saturated logics. First, Schottky TTL. Now in these types of logic circuits, this Schottky transistor is used instead of the BJT. And another ammeter coupled logic. So in this, transistor is operated in the cutoff and active region. So due to this, propagation time is reduced. Now next, saturation logic. In this, the transistor is operated in between saturation region and cutoff region. Thus the operating speed is reduced.